Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the homestead kitchen. So today I'm going to attempt to make tallow from beef sweat. So I bought this from my local farmer, $2.99 per pound. So I'm going to put it in the crock pot and I'm going to chop it up, put it in the crock pot, let it cook and remove all those oils for 24 hours until tomorrow. Then we'll sieve it and then I will go ahead and put it in a glass container and put it in the freezer. This is my first attempt and I'm going to show you how I do it as well as the end product. Thank you for returning back, and if you're a new subscriber or a watcher or a viewer, if you're a new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and I appreciate it, your support. Thank you. So the first step is, when I brought it home, I put it in the freezer for a few minutes so that it can at least solidify a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it and into small chunks. Almost like this size, and then I'll put them in the crock pot right here, and then I'll put it on low and I'll let it cook for about 24 hours. Tallow is really good for you, especially for the skin. It has some health benefit and it's easy to make a tallow salve using some olive oil. So when you render the tallow, you can keep it for almost a year in the freezer or even longer. And the tallow can be rendered from beef, or it can also be rendered from pork, even chicken, even deer meat. So use any fatty meats that you got and you can render that. The tough skin, I usually take it out, so I'm gonna take that out. Then I'll just focus on the good fat. So as I say, this is my first time doing this, but I've watched a lot of like how-tos and seen how people have done it. I got this from my local farmer. I always encourage everybody to support your local farmers if you can. Okay, so the chopping is going well. Everything is staying in one place, so that's good. All right, so the next thing I'll do is I'll put it in this crock pot and then I'll put it on low. And people can use tallow even for cooking. So here's the chopped up. I'm gonna put it in this crock pot and render the fat. Let me know in the comment below, have you ever made tallow? And if you have, or you have ever bought a product that is made out of tallow, let me know what was your experience and how do you use it. I would love to know. So this bag, kind of like this kind of bits, I'm gonna put it outside. And I make sure I empty my bag. All right, everything is in. So we'll come after 24 hours and then I'll show you how it looks. So this is after 24 hours sitting in the crock pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and sieve the tallow, and then I will show it to you. I'll take it to the sink. And I have a tip. One thing, when you're working with hot oil, it's good to have like a glass container for it and use a wiring sieve to sieve it. So I'll show you in a little bit. So after sieving it, this is what I was able to render out. So I'll put it, wait for it to cool down, then I'll put it in the fridge. Then I'll show you to you in solid form. And you can use this tallow to make like a tallow salve for like a body lotion or face cream. It has a lot of good benefits. So I'll show you. This is how it looks after you cool it down. So I'm gonna make a simple tallow salve. I have a cup of this tallow together with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I'm gonna add essential oil. I'll add orange and lavender. So here's the final product. This is what I made. I added some essential oil, and it's very moisturizing, and it doesn't leave like a big grease on the skin. There you have it. Please don't forget to subscribe, push the like button for more videos. There's the final product from the tallow. We rendered for 24 hours. Nice. Feels very soft. I'll keep one and gift one away.